Good night. I feel tired. It's 10:41. Pepsi Blue Lovers. Hello, Risa. Hello, King Jan Lickit tonight. So tired. Wait outside in the morning because we go cleaning in the of school of my son is having a brigada, so everybody get a general cleaning. Hello, Risa. Hello, Risa. You're from Mommy's Tired. English man kaayo idol. Yep. Because my viewers are some are in English English area. They don't understand our language Tagalog and Bisaya. So sometimes, not sometimes, but always speak English I can. So that from my heart, you guess my age. Yusik Okat. Hi, Lids. Good evening. Mag-good night na ko. Patulgon ko. Gusto ko tulgon. Hi, Sir Russell. I'm sleepy. I'm gonna body ache. Forget the age. I would like to know you. I'm younger. I'm 42. Hi, Sir Russell Roger. Sorry. I just sleep because I'm tired in school. Sir Russell, buy super stickers there on my channel. I know you have it.